Hello everyone. Now today we will learn how you can actually trim your videos with the help of an API. Very straightforward. We are going to use the same workflow as you know on the Erenol APIs. First you have to create a job with whatever service you want to utilize, and then you have to send a status request to the status API here, and then once the status is completed you get the final result, right? Okay, so let's start it. Trim API is very simple. It's a post API and we send our API key like this in header. So let me show you. This is the trim API and we created an HTTP request node. This is the payload which you can see in the trim API. It is very straightforward. You have to send the URL of your video which is publicly accessible. So if you don't know what publicly accessible means, what you have to do is you have to open the URL of your media file into Chrome, which is in incognito mode. So because sometimes if you're logged in your Google Drive, it opens it, but it's not publicly accessible. So it's important. And then let me open it and then show you. So right now, as you can see, this video is 59 seconds long, and what we are going to do is we are going to split it from 0 to 30-second long. So we are going to trim it out to first 30-second with this API. Okay, so very simple. We send the video URL, we send the start second and the end second. That's pretty much it. Once it sends this information to the API, it will create a job, as you can see on the API here, that once you send it, it creates a job and then sends us the job ID with the status. And then what we will do is we will call the status API with the job ID, check the status. If the status is completed, then we get the result from the result API, and all these requests have the same API key. So let's quickly run the workflow, and as you can see, it is sending it to the API right now, and it's sent. And as you can see that the job type is video trim and the status is pending right now. And then as you can see here, it checked the status and it got completed. But so with the completed status, we have the final file. So let me copy the URL, and as you know that this was the 59-second long video, and let me open this. Here we go. Now we have a 30-second long video. So we have trimmed a video with the help of our workflow programmatically with the help of this API. If you have any other question, let me know. Cheers.